Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Spanish Town Road and we're giving you an update on the construction of the Fesco Oval. Now this is a new Fesco gas station, and I must say it's a very large gas station, not the largest, but a large gas station that recently opened on Spanish Town Road. And Spanish Town Road is the road that takes you from Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So as you can see, the gas station is opened and they are now building the Oval, the Fesco Oval, which is a shopping plaza right behind the gas or beside the gas station. This is still a part of the construction. So this is a very popular trend now with gas stations in Jamaica. You build a gas station and then you build a plaza along with the gas station. And Fesco is leading the way with this. They're building this one on Spanish Town Road, the gas station with the plaza, and they built one on Mandela Highway, gas station with the plaza, and they built one in Ocherios, on the Ocherios bypass, gas station along with a plaza, a very large plaza too in Ocherios. Now this plaza that we're looking at is going to have Popeyes and Burger King in it. The gas station on Mandela Highway has a Tasty in it, and that gas station on Mandela Highway is the largest and busiest gas station in Jamaica. And the gas station in Ocherios has a Bird Shack location in it. So this is the new trend for building gas stations in Jamaica. Build a gas station along with a plaza and put food stores in it. It's as if the people who are building these stations have been listening to the channel. So they know what you need for a successful plaza. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the tour.